anyways, we're gonna be doing a compiler. We're gonna make a compiler for this thing called it's called BrainFuck. So let me just I'll give you an explanation of what BrainFuck is, because this is a great video anyways.
BrainFuck is a program.
Yeah, here we go.
BrainFuck is a programming language that consists of an array of cells. Each 8-bit cell is initialized with 0 and can have a value of 0 through 255. The plus operator adds 1 to the current cell. The minus operator takes away 1 from the current cell. A cell overflows if a value is larger than 255 or smaller than 0. The move left operator moves 1 cell to the left. The move right operator moves 1 cell to the right. A loop continues while the value of the current cell, which can be changed during the loop, is non-zero. A comma means the BrainFuck program will take a single character input from the keyboard. A full stop means it will print the ASCII value of the current cell.
Boom. So that's BrainFuck in a nutshell, basically. That's what it is. So here is a compiler in BrainFuck, and here is Java. So I'm planning to create a compiler for this, and I don't know what the comment symbol is. Does it even have a comment symbol? Hashtag? Nope, it does not have a comment symbol, which is annoying. So we should probably look at some examples. There are some pretty complex examples, like here's Fibonacci. But mostly what people do is they just take BrainFuck. They just take a regular program, like Java or something. They convert it to BrainFuck and then make it so that it works. So this is not really... Somebody has actually made it like... This is capitalizing the input. So just A. Whoops. A. That didn't even work. Okay, well... Anyways. Let's look for something. What am I doing? I don't want to look at my stream management. I want to Wikipedia BrainFuck. Yeah, I just need to like look at the here we go. Here are the commands I need to make. Yeah, it needs to be a char of, so I need to make, first of all, we're gonna start with string. We're gonna make a string. Oh, I need to put some music on. And let's play something good. Albums. Let's just put on an album that I like. You know, I'm gonna actually try explaining these things out loud while I do them. So we're gonna make a string that's called code, which will be our input of testing, and we're just gonna make it like an empty string except for now. So first we're gonna have to make a char array, because each of these is a character. I believe. How big are char values in Java? 16 bits. Byte. Byte. I might make them byte values. Oh no, I can just do byte values. Byte values would actually be better. Byte. Let's actually do a test. Byte t equals negative 127, I believe that's... Let's see if there's any people in chat. No, it's just me. Back to it. Okay, so byte and then system.out.println t minus 1. So basically I'm just testing if it overflows to 128. Because if it does, then that's perfectly fine. No, it doesn't. Oh, whoops. How do I make it unsigned? How to get unsigned byte. Make an unsigned byte in Java. What? That isn't supposed to happen. Oh, maybe it's converting to an integer? That's what? If that gives me a compiler error, then I know it works. What? Okay, that's just confusing. Then I guess we're doing char arrays. I just realized how not in the mood I am to stream. It's fine. A char array of started 0. We need an int pointer and then okay. So we should have the first. Okay, let's do the first function. Are char arrays global? Are arrays global in general? I genuinely forget. I'll just write as returning it. Public char array and a public public static char array. We return the char array. We call it. Oh no, here's what we do. We have to make it in. Okay, no, we're gonna have to make each function first and then, yeah. Right. I have a char array called tape and an int called pointer. Wait, no, I can just. Okay, no. Let me just set up the actual part for this. So. Oh, I should call this tape pointer. And then instruct. Because we're going to have two pointers, we're going to have one for the string. So every single loop, we're gonna increase the structure pointer. Yeah. Okay. I'm not really gonna do this. Probably. Maybe. Just depending on my mood. I'm out of water. It's fine. I should probably just use acronyms, but hey, we have an instructor. Oh wait, no, I can do it like this actually. Bam, one line. Okay, those are the first two functions done. How is chat doing, gamers? Oh, I need to break it. Bam! Last time I did this, ooh, that's a loud. That was a loud plane. So last time I did this, I got stuck on the, what's it called? I got stuck on these, but I think I can get these done. So, plus, out. And now I gotta do the input, which is annoying, so in Java. I always forget how to do input, so I just copy this. While we're at it, we might as well run this code. Oh, I need to do default. Hey, I just had an idea. I'm gonna do that later. But I think I could like make a scrolling arrow. Maybe. Leadus, your code is now my. Ain't a thing, I've got your picture hanging up on the wall. Yeah, good enough. So I have almost every single command except the loop ones, which I always find hard to figure out. I think I need to make this into a function. Maybe? I don't know. We're gonna take a break and see if we can actually use this to make a BrainFuck program. So let's see, we want to print, add, then print to see if it works. Oh, then we're gonna space it because spaces don't do anything. Then we're gonna see, okay, can we increment? Print. Go to next and then go back. Then print. And now we're gonna test, okay, can we take an input? Or can we subtract it? Print, subtract. And now we're going to take an input. Print, take an input, print. Okay, let's see. It should work. If it doesn't, then yeah, I can expect that. Okay. Well, it sure did 8. It sure did print, but it didn't print anything. It printed blank values. It's because it's 0. Whoops. I need to do 65. I believe that's A. Yep. So we took an input, then we printed it out, then we added B, then we went to the right, we printed that out, which would be blank, then we went to the left and it's pretty, then we printed it out again, then we subtract. Okay, so then all our commands work. It's just that we don't see them for certain times because this doesn't print out, it prints out the character and 0 is a blank character. It might be useful actually not to do it as a blank character. Let's just do it as an int. Oh wait, whoops, no, that's incorrect. We need to do it as an integer. That will change it to be 65. I believe it will. Oh, forgot input. Yes. Boom. Bammo, genius level IQ here. Let's go, gamers! Okay, so we pretty much remade the whole entire code. Because I originally did this as like an object-oriented thing, and it was dumb, and now I've redone it, so pretty much I've done most of the commands, and now we're at the hard part. I'm gonna take a little break, because I said so, and I gotta get some water. Back, gamers! Let's go. I just realized this artist that I like released a new album, so I'm definitely gonna listen to this right now. 6 songs. Go listen to this whole thing. When did they release this? Okay, so they released, let's see, 2019, 2016, 2020, 2020, 2020. There's a lot of songs I've missed. Man, I gotta listen to some of these. They're good. Okay. What's this vibe? So I need to keep in memory where this is. So if the byte at the data point is 0, then oops. I believe, so it's, if it is 0, you oh wait, if it's stacked, then it's not gonna work. Stacked loops won't work. Wait, would it work? I don't know if that'll work. I'm just gonna code it this way because I know it will work for most programs, but having stacked loops, it will definitely not work for. No, wait, no, it would. No, I think it would work. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Okay, so while it is not equal to we increase it. And so if it is equal to 0, then we move to that thing, then we increase it. This is dope. Okay, good song. I think that's correct. Wait, this isn't necessary actually, because we would go to it and then we would break and then we would increase. But opposite, I have to go one more, I believe. Yes. Woo! This is a good song. I'm gonna definitely like this album and like this one song. Okay, 45? Oh, I did not equal incorrectly. I did equal and then not, which is really bad. Code should work still. Oh, yeah, 65. Alright, I think I'm gonna try. Let me think. How can I make a loop program that's really simple? Let me do it in BrainFuck here. So we start off with all 0 values. So I want to. Let me think. How does this work? If they're always 0, then instead of moving the instruction point, it moves the command back then. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we say we're gonna do a loop. So basically what we do is we input a character, then we start here. So we're gonna input a character at the value. Then we're going to, for each value of the loop, we're gonna move to the right and then add 1. So okay, so we're starting at let's say we have 8. Alright, hold up. This is really hard to think about. I'm gonna draw this out. I'm gonna draw this out so my code actually works. I'm gonna turn off the music, draw it out. So come on, whiteboard, open up. Okay, here we go. We have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we're gonna first input. We're gonna set this as, so we have an input. This will be now 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we start our loop, which means that if the data finder, we're gonna, okay, so our data finder is not 0, so we're good. So that's a comma right there. So we're gonna 8, then we're going to, let's say, move to the right. So now we were here, now we're here, and then add. So this will be 1. That's a 7. Oops. Let me hold up. It's kind of hard to draw with my pen. Okay, that's gonna be a 1 now. And then if we go here, then we're gonna move back to this instruction. And since this value is not 1, we're gonna go here. Well, then that would go for infinity, actually. I just realized this program would go for infinity. Which means I think I need to stack it as 2 loops, so then... Oh, no, we go left, then minus. So it's like, okay, so we're doing this, then we go back, then we subtract, so 7. And I think that would make this copy 0 to, so I think at the end, if we do 0, 0, 0, 0, we input this program, then we should have 0 num 0, 0, 0. So let's try writing that out. So that is right plus left minus. I'm gonna try that. So the number 8. What? Oh no, and then we should print out what's on the right. I just realized we should print out what that is. That should be printed out. Come on, give me a period. There we go. Okay. 8. Okay, wait, no, we should print out both values. Here we go. So I want to know what the value is. So it's going to be like, okay, so here's value 1, right, value 2, left. Now we can restart the program. So we have our input, then our value 1, value 2, then our loop, and then our result. So let's split this up into like some code lines so I actually understand what it's saying. Boom. Okay, come on. 0 to 8, 0, 8, 0, 8. Okay, here we go. 8, 8, 8. What? What? Okay, wait, what? Okay. So we get an input, then we print it. That's 8, obviously. Hold up. Okay, wait, what? What happens if I just get rid of this section? What do we get? 8. Come on, don't be dumb. Okay, what? This is why BrainFuck is confusing. Okay, what? Okay, I gotta turn off the music. No, that's too contracting. Okay, so let's try this again. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, whatever. We start with an input. So now our input is 8. Boom. Wait, does that actually give us the input 8? Let me test that out really quick with another program. So we have print What happens if I do this? Just the letter 8. Get rid of the print statement. I don't know what that ending character means. Okay, so that's just 8. Okay, good. So printing does do something. Okay. Alright, so basically we want to do, okay, so we have our input, then we have the print, then we go to the right, then we print. What does that give me? Why is it a blank character for 0? Not gonna lie, that's kind of confusing. What if I increase it and then print again? 8. I want the literal number 8. Let me just do it as A instead. We're just gonna do the letter A. 65 on... What does this green text mean? Oh, light theme. Disgust. Okay, Okay, what? What? Oh my gosh, what even? I don't get it. Let's just test my program that I already made. So if I do, it should be that, then print right, print left, and then a loop where we go to right, add, go to left, subtract. Then we should print. I believe that'll get me the result I want. So here we go. Let's see. If I put in the number 8. All right, let me just wait for the recompile. Okay, come on. Alright, so we have 8. Okay, so we have 8 here, then go to the right, then 0, then we go to the left, we do our loop, then we start at 8, alright, 8. Boom! Loops work! We did it! Is this probably a working compiler? I don't know. Let's do a test. We'll get an example program. If we can do, let's see, hello world. This is a simple hello world program, so disgusting looking. But if this should be able to type hello world. So, let's do it as, and also we gotta make it into, what's it called? Oopsie. Okay, that's our code. Then we have to also make sure it's in print mode. Where is print mode? Here we go. We just gotta get rid of this int part. I need to make 2 modes for this, but okay, this should print out the words hello world. H-E-L. Boom! Big brain bozo here with another amazing video. Sorry. But we did it. We did it. We wrote a program. We wrote BrainFuck compiler. I thought that would be a lot harder than I thought. It's just a bunch of case switching and stuff. I thought that was gonna be a lot harder, but I guess I didn't really understand what these two did. So we did it, boys. Let's try. I'm pretty sure this doesn't work, but I really want to try one of these complicated, like, multiple loop programs. I think it will break because I just got a feeling inside my bones. Alright, so hold up. We're gonna make it just full screen really quick so I can, like, edit this really quickly. Okay. Let me just there we go. This is a very long string. It might actually go over the limits of the string storage. I don't think so though. Oopsies, I got rid of the instruction. I don't want to make sure I don't want to get rid of any instructions. I think this is, wait, what does it actually print in here? I'm wondering. Just gonna look at it when I'm done. Also, I need to make sure it's in number mode. here we go. Oh, so it just prints out a certain amount of Fibonacci numbers. And let's make them into integers. Let's see. Print is that. Just put int. Boom. Okay. Let's see if it works. Does it work? This is the true test because I have no idea. This is like the longest program, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna break because it just looks like it. So here's what the output should look. Oh, and we got an out of bounds error. Okay, index 30 out of bounds. Oh, did I do that code wrong? It's length -1. That makes sense. Where is tape dot length? Here it is. Tape dot length -1. Right, that's a valid mistake, actually. Does it work? Another exception? Line 45. If the tape pointer... Oh. I think I got a suspicion it's that part. Okay. And so you're gonna run into that problem multiple times. I'm pretty sure it just can't do multiple loops inside of each other. I'm just pretty sure that's how it's just gonna work. But it can do that program I just made, so let me see. What was the program I just made? I literally just it's print, right print left, and then right plus left minus, and then print right print. So at least you can run this thing. The rest of it, don't care. But we did it. Wait. I was trying to play some music, but whatever. Who cares? We did it, gamers. We did it. Yes. Oh, some people were in chat. Whoops, I missed them. Haha. Big sad. I feel pretty good about that. Oh, it's a byte. Whoops. Forgot. You had to put a number. That explains it. I was like, I was pretty scared. But we did it. That's. I think that means that's the end of the stream. Gamers. Because I did not actually expect myself to get that done. I was really thinking I would not do that, but I did it.